morning, my dear student. Welcome back to online classes. I hope all of you are fit, safe, and healthy at your places, and you all are working very hard. I'm Miss Bhavna Mehta, your GK teacher from Arden Progressive School, Haldwani, Lamachora. Student, today we'll start our GK work. So let us begin with GK topics. Student, before starting the topic, let us know what is general knowledge and why it is important. General knowledge is something that really helps us to grow both on personal as well as academic level. It narrows our sense of perceiving the world, understands and analyzes the situations better as one would without proper knowledge. General knowledge opens different avenues for one's seeking. It develops students' social, sensitive, reasoning, and thinking skill. It forms an identity right from a tender stage, which is very important and which is very helpful. Student, let us begin our book work of general knowledge. So open your page number 5. Here is an activity about flower. Student, do you know what is a flower? A flower is the part of a plant that is responsible for making new seeds. It is often made of petal and may have an attractive scent. Flower प्लांट का एक ऐसा पार्ट होता है जो नए सीड्स का निर्माण करने के लिए रेस्पॉन्सिबल होता है. स्टूडेंट, here is an activity. Bunny loves flowers. Student, help Bunny to name these flowers. Choose words from the box. Write the correct letters in the circles. As you can see, here is some pictures of some flowers and the names of flowers are given in the box. Just choose the correct word and write the correct letters in the circle. First already has been done. And this picture of second flower is jasmine. So write letter D in the circle. Third one is marigold. So here you will write letter B. Fourth one is rose. Write letter F in the circle. Fifth one is sunflower. So write letter A in the circle. And the last one is lily. So you will write letter E in the circle. Now student, come to the next page, page number 6. That's mine. Each of these pictures is a body part of an animal. Circle the correct animal's name. Student, as you can see, the body parts of some animals have been given here. You have to identify and tick the right animal's body parts. And the first animals whose part is shown here, it is an elephant. Now student, you will have to tick elephant. And the next body part shown here, it is the body part of a rabbit. Now tick rabbit. And the next body part, it is the body part of a horse. Now student, you will have to tick horse. The next animals whose part is shown here, it is bat. Next one is giraffe. And the next body part is shown here, it is a zebra. Now you will have to take zebra. Next body part, it is a bull. And the next one is crocodile. And the last body part which is shown here, it is rhinoceros. Now student, first one is an elephant, second one is rabbit, third one is horse, bat, giraffe, zebra, bull, crocodile, and the last one is rhinoceros. Let's know fact. Student, do you know the tongue of a blue whale weighs more than a full-grown adult elephant? ब्लू व्हेल की जीभ का वजन एक बड़े वयस्क हाथी से अधिक होता है. Now come to the next page, page number 7. Student, here is an activity about a tree. Trees gives us wood. Tick the objects that are made from wood. Student, as we all know, trees are very important for us. Trees gives us many things. Trees are important for our survival as well as the ecosystem. Without trees, life would not have been possible. Trees provide us with two of life's most crucial components, oxygen and food. So, here is an activity about wood. As we all know, we can get wood from trees. So now, student, you will have to identify the objects which are made from wood. Student, I hope all of you have enjoyed today's class and will meet in our next session with new chapter and with new topics. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day. Bye-bye.